Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 search bar not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Search and Indexing. Check Cannot start a search or see results, click Next. Click Try these repairs as an administrator. Check Cannot start a search or see results, click Next. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Cortana in Apps search bar. Click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Third method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Click Mount. Open Setup. Click Next. Select Windows 11 and also keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.